Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Manila Ocean Park. Ayan, so dito kami guys, magbabayad muna kami. And let's pay first before we enter the Ocean Park guys. Magkano the bed? Merong 750 at saka 1,100. Tatanungin muna namin kung ano yung mga inclusions nila dito guys. Ito yung 750, 1,100. Ayan na guys, may ticket na kami, good for 2. Nag-appeal po kami ng 750 pesos na admission. Meron silang 1,100 pero sa amin ay 750 lang yung in-avail namin. Oceanarium guys. Let's find Nemo guys. Ang ganda tingnan. Ang ganda nito. Anong isda kaya ito? Parang siyang tiger or zebra. Zebra fish. Parang kaki. Oh, ang laki. Siya lang siya David. Mura siya nasa pan. What's with the bill? And here we go guys at the Lost Atlantis. Let's go! Welcome to the Living Ocean. Hi guys, nandito na tayo. Ay, David. Stingray. Ayan guys. Kanina kay may malaking stingray guys. Ayan dito na side guys. Maganda yung kuha ng mga larawan dito. Tsaka yung video guys. Kasi parang naka 360 degree na guys yung aquarium nila dito. Ay may stingray dito guys. So, wow. Hi! Wow! Wow! Daming isda guys. Nandun pa yun sila. Yan o, ang laki. David, nagtapon sila David. Nagtapon lagi sila. David mo? Ayan guys, nandito naman yung mga pasalubong nila guys. Yung mga stuffed toys na mga isda. Kung gusto mo bumili ng mga pang souvenir guys, dyan o. Ayan, at more na mga fishes pa dito na side. Ayan, ang ganda din dito guys. Dito guys, meron nakasulat ito. Place your hand at the center of the aquarium hall and touch the fishes, but let them stay in the water. And let's try guys. Ayan si Dave, nag-try siya. Hey, let me try it, Dave. Parang fish pa lang, di ba? Oh, parang fish pa. Kinakain na yung mga dry skin siguro. Oh, parang fish pa lang siya, guys. Ayun guys, after namin sa Oceanarium guys, dito naman tayo guys sa Trails to Antarctica guys. Makakita na tayo guys ng in actual na sea lion kasi hindi pa ako nakakita ng sea lion sa personal. Yan, excited ako guys dito sa Trails of Antarctica. May penguin ba dito? Sea lion show lang. Sea lion show. Bird show. Ayun guys, andito na tayo sa Trails of Antarctica. Ayun, pag Antarctica guys, meron talagang mga penguin tsaka yung mga sea lion. At doon na side na doon, ang side doon oh, may mga penguin na naka-penguin encounter sila guys sa loob. Ayun guys, tapos na kaming sa penguin. 700 pesos, good for 4 person, pero dalawa lang mga kami. So, ayan, 700 pa rin yung binayaran namin. And free yung picture na guys sa 700 dun sa penguin encounter guys. Ayan, so let's proceed. And dito tayo. Guys, for your pasalubong naman, dito sa Manila Ocean Park, nandito guys yung malaking pasalubong center nila guys. Ayan, kung gusto mo yung mga stuffed toys. Ayan, iba't ibang mga stuffed toy guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, kinuha namin guys yung larawan namin from the penguin encounter. For 700 pesos guys, meron ka ng isang free na larawan. Good for 4 person yung 700 pesos. Ginutom kayo guys, meron naman dito mga kainan. Meron dito silang mga iba't ibang mga resto guys. While you are eating your meal guys, background naman dito yung dagat. Ayan guys, tapos na kami sa loob guys, sa Oceanarium, sa Atlantic, ayan, Trails of the Atlantica, ayan. So waiting kami guys for the bird show dito, daily show for 4:30 in the afternoon guys, yung bird show at yung sea lion. Naglinya na sila tabi dito di ay. Ayan guys, patungo na kami sa mga upuan namin for the sea lion show. Ayan.
Come on, Rocky, something for us.
1.
And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets the number she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together with trainer Albert, say hi.
Hi.
And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And that's make her the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with trainer JB, say hello. Now let's begin. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term fitted heads may also be translated as beak-footed.
Watch, yan. Tapos na kami guys mag-tour dito sa Manila Ocean Park. Yung last na show, yung bird show tsaka yung sea lion show guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Babalik na kami sa Mindanao. Bye!